Welcome to SplashMe Pool Systems, the most advanced, Australian-made swimming pool and spa controller at your fingertips. In this video we are going to show you how to add a newly installed SplashMe controller to the selected site. Firstly, you will need to create a site as per the previous video, then tap on the expand arrow on the site that you would like to add the SplashMe controller to. Then tap on Connected Devices. Here you will see a list of all the SplashMe controllers that are on this site. In this case, there are not any. Let's tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to start the commissioning process. Make sure to allow any permissions that pop up through the next few steps. Press the circle enter button on the SplashMe controller to show the QR code. The app will then display the location of the property you are at. Make any changes if needed and then tap on Connect SplashMe. Tap Join. Tap Allow. Then tap Continue. Your mobile device is now directly connected to the SplashMe controller, and then you can proceed with the setup. If there is an update available, it is always recommended to install the update at this point. In our case, we are good to proceed. Now we have pool parameters. Enter the pool size in kiloliters. Our pool is 50,000 liters, so we will just enter 50. And our electricity cost is around 35 cents. Next we have the option to communicate to the SplashMe via remote mode or direct mode. Direct mode is used if there is no internet connection available at the SplashMe mounting location. We will select remote access. Now we have the option to connect via Wi-Fi, or if you have fitted the optional Ethernet adapter and have an active Ethernet cable connected, you will also have the Ethernet option available. We are selecting Wi-Fi. Next, select the Wi-Fi network that you would like the SplashMe controller to connect to. Please note that the SplashMe controller can only connect to 2.4 GHz networks, and only these will be shown in the list. Enter the password for the selected network and tap Continue. If the credentials are correct, you will have successfully connected your SplashMe controller to the internet. You can now remotely access the controller from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection on your mobile device. On the dashboard you will see the radio symbol. This means the SplashMe controller is online. If you look at the display on the SplashMe controller, you will see that we are connected to Wi-Fi and we are connected to the SplashMe cloud server. Thanks for watching. Please explore our channel for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe to keep you up to date with all the most recent app changes. Thank you.